To delete all the photos at once on Google Photos, this is the video for you, so simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Following video, I will guide you to delete all photos from Google Photos at once, which is the safest and the quickest way to it. To do so, make sure that you have a device with you, and from there you just need to search Google Photos, and if you already know where it is, you just need to open it on a device. And this is the photo tab where you'll see the photos of you, and under the collection tab you'll see the peoples and the pets, documents, places, and all of the things like this at once. Now to delete all the photos at once, you just need to long press on the photo for like this, and you just need to select the photo which you want to delete all. Unfortunately, there is no option of selecting all the photos at once in Google Photos, but the thing you can do is that you can simply select the date like this, and you'll be able to select all the photos at once. And here you'll see the option of bin like icon at the very bottom. So if you click on the bin like icon, it says moving items to the bin, so click on the option of got it, and you just need to give permission to it, and that's it. That's how you can delete all the photos of Google Photos at once. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.